Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can get Shift at Midnight crashing on Steam fixed. So the first thing you want to do is that you're going to open the web browser and type Redist, Red Hat. Go to this link for Microsoft Learn, left click on it. Then you can scroll down and go to the redistribution versions and get x64 and x86 by clicking these two blue links right here. After that you can close this down, restart your PC, then go to your library right here. Right click on your game, select properties, and on launch options you can select this -dx11. Once you get this out of the way, you want to go to installed files, and in here you want to select verify integrity of the game files. Once this is out of the way, you can close this one and restart your PC. Then after relaunching, you want to open your either NVIDIA or AMD app, and once you do that, you want to go to your drivers, either of them, and then check for updates here, selecting it. And if you see that you're having some updates available, you can select and get it by selecting this icon right here. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.